So I just want to show you guys this does not work. Okay, so the bed's down. This is loose. Turn the power on. It's already got the SD card in. Most of the time it doesn't. It's got a weird blinky thing going here. There you go. So 1 in 10 times it will move, but it will only go up. So let's try it.
Oh my.
Okay, yeah, it's not in either direction working. And I've tried, unplugging the AC adapter, plugging the AC adapter back in, but it is not working. Okay, I think I just heard a noise.
Imagine if that bull could see this car. I don't think it would react. I have never seen a bull react to anything. They just keep staring, like people do with this car. A Lamborghini's for a certain kind of person that wants to make an entrance, wants to make a statement, does not want to slip by unnoticed. This is a car for people whose attitude is,
I'm not going to be ignored.
what I like about Lamborghinis is they don't care too much about.
I've already updated the firmware, by the way. I tried doing that. So this is one. It's got the demo slash image on it. I also tried a different one too as well. So we'll try this one. Both 2 different SD cards. It turns green. And it doesn't move. Okay, it does seem like it's locked in place though, because normally you'll be able to turn it just a little bit. So the stepper does seem to be locked in place, like it's energized. It's just not moving, because if you turn it off, the stepper's no longer energized. I can turn it just a little. There we go. Back on.
Okay. My idea for this day.
Alright, yeah, it's obviously got some tension, so the stepper is powered on.
Have had these careers in the entertainment industry.
But you cannot move it. Okay. Also try printing, it doesn't do anything.
It really worked out well. Yeah. But we had another dream, and that dream was to be baseball players, which did not work out. But if we did become baseball players, this is the kind of car we would buy. Young baseball players drive cars like this. Yeah. They want to get attention. They want the world to go, yeah, I made it. I made it to the bigs. Yeah. It also has this one.
It's definitely the version 1.
What is that called?
Neighbor, your top plate. What's your coffee routine?
Like 2 double espressos.
Wow. Do you make them yourself?
I make them myself, but you push 1 button, put a pot in.
Oh.
So it's
Oh,
not
that's
really
awful.
Thank you. Pretty good coffee though.
I know it is. You're right. I've had it, and it is pretty good.
I know, but it takes all the connection to the bean.
Connection to the bean.
Yeah.
Yes.
I like
Yeah,
that.
so it doesn't work.